This is 2-Second Lean in Tulsa, and I'd like to give a special thanks to everybody who contributed to this 10,000 plus views, which it hit a little bit earlier today while I was at work. And while that may not mean a whole lot to some people, this is the part that means a lot to me. When you load up the analytics for the last 7 days, it shows that the vast majority of my views are for repairing a microwave, which I incorporated a lot of lean items into. And it's a really long video, which is just a little bit odd that people are watching it that many times a day. The rest are improvements in the garage, and those get a handful of views every day. But the rest, this one should have some views because I uploaded it earlier this week. But the rest of these, I haven't. Oops, went down too far. The rest of these, I haven't uploaded in a while, but they're still getting some views every week, which is nice because at least some of the people that are watching these videos up here, which are mainly for the garage and the home, are watching some of the suggested videos that are lean, and that has transferred into, let's go back here, into this, which is 23 subscribers. And an odd note about that is that it seems to jump at 2 at a time, and I don't really understand that, but hey, I'll take it. Anything to spread the lean message. And once again, thank you all, and this is 2-Second Lean in Tulsa.